In the rapidly evolving global medical technology landscape, Taiwan, with its innovative spirit and exceptional quality, has become a pivotal hub for medical devices and biotechnology industries. Taiwan's medical devices cover a wide range of specialties, including cardiovascular, orthopedic, imaging diagnostics, and cancer treatment. Leading the way in developing new technologies like AI for diagnosis and robot-assisted surgery, our dedicated members are deeply committed to upholding the highest standards in the industry. Armed with cutting-edge technology and innovative solutions, their expertly crafted products empower healthcare institutions across the globe. This commitment ensures that these institutions are well prepared and equipped to meet the ever-evolving challenges of health and wellness that the future may bring. Through our strong partnerships with global healthcare organizations, we offer comprehensive medical solutions.